Welcome. My name is Micha and I'm founder of Black Raven Solutions Wilderness Academy and its business counterpart Batar Solutions Business, which stands for Business, Toughness, Adaptability and Resilience. Today I want to share a simple technique that you can use at home or in your workplace. You can use it at your desk, behind the computer, or if you want to keep it hidden when you're going to the toilet. Especially the digital environment can be very stressful, takes a lot of your energy and your focus, and it strains you mentally. You're hyper focused on your mental processes, you're hyper focused on your mental processes and your visuals, and you neglect the feelings and what's happening in your body. Constant scanning and knowing yourself helps you better react and predict what's going to come and prevent you from burnouts and etc. Today I want to share a simple technique, yet it is very effective. It derives from an old Chinese and Ayurvedic. It has been well written in old Chinese and Ayurvedic medicines. It's been well documented and taught in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine systems. It focuses on acupressure points, which helps. It focuses on two specific acupressure points on your head, which help you release the stress and make you more energetically current and re-stresses you. So how do you do it? You just comfortably sit down or stand up. You can do this even in elevator. Then you make two pistols, fold the thumbs and press these 2 points. You can just hold them very easily. You can press them, you can massage them, and immediately, in a second or couple of seconds, you will feel yourself relax. You will open up meridians, and the energy which is stuck in the head will keep flowing throughout your body. This is a very simple technique, and you should use that daily to help you stay in better health, better emotional health, and releasing all the stuff that's been accumulating in your work or at home during the whole day. Especially I advise you to do this before you go to sleep. Thank you very much. You can subscribe, you can follow us for more insights and very intensive for more insights and tips how to stay healthy and productive and creative in your work environment. Bye bye. This is Micha, Black Raven Solutions Wilderness Academy and Batar Solutions. See ya, bye.